Okay, so today we looked at two positions of the B chord, and the first one is this power chord on the 7th fret there. So first finger, third finger and little finger, and we said that you can also play exactly the same chord without any difference whatsoever down here on the 2nd fret, in which case you're using the 5th, 4th and 3rd string instead of the bottom 5th and 4th string. So those two chords are interchangeable.
Okay.
We looked at this idea on the B chord of hammering your little finger on and off, then it goes on the 5th string like that. And the idea of that is that what you're doing is simply replicating these things that you're doing down here. You're replicating them on a B chord.
Yeah.
In fact, you can actually do that on the 2nd fret down there as well, but it's an enormous stretch, and I wouldn't particularly recommend that one. That's a huge stretch. We looked at this blues scale in E, which is fairly simple: 0, 3, 0, 1, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 3, and it's all written down. 0, 3 and 0, 3. So that's that scale there. And then we looked at putting that together in a little 12-bar motif, just using the bottom half of that scale at the moment. So and the same thing in A. Back to E. And then the B chord 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2. And then you play an E and remove the 3rd finger, so you're making an E7 and you're going up to the 4th fret, back to the 3rd, back to the 2nd and back to the 1st, and ideally you finish with a couple of stabs on B. So if I played that at normal speed from the B, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. The other thing that we looked at today as well that's worth just recapping on is that we said on that A scale, which you've been doing all last week, we said that when you get to the 5th fret there, that on the top string, that note is interchangeable with the with this scale, because you know that 5th fret on the top string is common to both scales. So we were looking at, and then you know coming back down that one, you know, and swapping between those two scales as we went. Yeah, I think that's just about everything we covered today, isn't it?
All right, brilliant. Thank
Good.
you.